my god, today is a great day. Why did I get my first ever wax in the mail, pack in the mail? Fuck is you talking about? But nah, for real, y'all, I got my first company reach out to me and send me some free motherfucking wax because they want me to review their wax. Honestly, I thought it was a scam. Like, they had reached out and it was like, you know, can we send you some wax and you give us a review on wax? And I'm like, okay, but I was like, damn, is this shit real? So I gave them the shop address and they ended up sending me a tracking number, but I'm like, I think I just forgot about it. And today I was at the shop and I'm like, damn, did I ever get that wax? So I went to go check my my shop mailbox. Period. It's some motherfucking wax in here. So let's do an unboxing. Wait, what is the company name is Sexy Smooth Wax. Sexy Smooth Wax. I honestly don't know how long it's been here. Probably check my tracking. Okay, they sent me two different things. This is cute. They sent me their Golden Allure Wax. Premium stripless hard wax for hair removal. Y'all know I only use hard wax. I don't use strip wax. So right now I'm gonna fill it up in my wax pot. I have a double wax pot. I'm gonna keep my regular and I'm gonna fill one side up with some of this. And we're gonna see how it works. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice and golden. It's giving like honey vibes. You know, ain't it? It's giving like beehive honey vibes. Oh. We're just gonna pour this in here. I'm wondering, like, should I have did the whole thing? Like, what if I don't like it? But hopefully I'm gonna like it. I have a client coming right now. But if this wax melts in time, maybe we can do her armpits and review it. But let's time it actually to see how long it takes to melt, because you know, as an SD, that's a concern. Well, not a concern, but that's something you think about, is how fast the wax melts or whatever, because you want it ready. So let's see. It's 7:04 right now. We'll see how long it takes for it to be mixable. Okay, this is what it looks like after an hour. It's literally an hour on the dot. It's 8:06. And it's mostly melted. There's a hard piece in the middle, but it's mostly melted. I don't know what their recommended heat is, but this would be kind of like the consistency I would use. So I'm about to do a sample on my leg. I couldn't do my client's armpits because she had just shaved them. So my hair is white, so you can barely see it, but I'm trying to put it against the green so you guys can kind of see. I got some long leg hair right here. Okay. So far, the consistency is good. Like I was saying, like it's not too runny. Somehow my audio randomly cut out. But anyways, I laid my first strip down. I wish I would have had more of my stick because you can see it's a little thin and patchy in some places. I also wanted to test how fast it was going to dry. So that's me just testing, like, is it ready? Can I pull it yet? Or is it too gooey? It pulled, but like the flexibility of it stayed. That's how much hair I got off of the first pull. I feel like that's a decent amount. And you can see it's still keeping its flexibility after I pulled it, which is pretty cool. It's definitely very pretty when you lay it down. It gives honey vibes. I laid a second strip in the same spot as the first one. I will say it pulled off really nicely and had a decent amount of hair, but my skin was not like bare, as in all the hair was gone from where I just did strip 2 different times. But it did pull a decent amount of hair. I had another client come in who had a tiny bit of armpit hair, but I was like, let's just try it. When they say sexy smooth, it definitely gives sexy smooth. As you can see, it's just smooth and sexy. But we did 2 strips on her. I would say she got a little bit more red than normal, but that's fine. They do say it's good for sensitive skin. I want to see like her reaction in a couple hours or something to see if the redness went down or if she has bumps, whatever the case may be. The package that they sent me is on sale right now for $11.99, which is a super crazy good deal for some wax. I also think it's kind of crazy that they're showing their price to the public. They didn't make me put in my esthetician credentials or anything, so that leads me to believe that anybody can purchase this. Okay, so I would rate it probably like a 8 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. I like it though. It applies really nice. I want to try it on a Brazilian. That's going to be the real test. Because testing on myself is kind of like, I want to try it on a Brazilian to see how accurate it takes off the hair, how much strips I have to do, if it's pulling the tiny hairs, if it's pulling long hairs, what it leaves. So I'll probably try it on that. But as far as its texture, how smooth it is, its flexibility, solid 8 out of 10. But a 10 out of 10 because y'all was my first one to send me some wax. So period. Shout out Sexy Smooth Wax. Golden Allure. Shop with them.